My name is Kenyatta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, then what's good? How you doing? How you living? What is up? Hey, today is Friday. I think we're gonna do like a weekend vlog because sometimes I really suck at vlogging throughout the week because like I work, but on the weekends, like, you know, the vibes are there. Had a half day today and I'm currently sitting in the car waiting for my nail appointment. I'm like 20 minutes early. I thought about going to Ross, but then I felt like 20 minutes isn't enough time to like, by the time I get over there, it's going to be time to come back. So we'll just wait till after. This is what the nails look like, and I think I'm just going to get this again. I really enjoyed this bubble bath color. So we're going to get it again. We're going to run it back, and then I'll probably change my color next week. So I do not like when cars, like, obviously I don't know what's going on, right? But I think I'll just be paranoid. There was a car that pulled up right next to me, like almost right when I pulled up. They pulled up like seconds later. Coincidence, whatever. I don't really know what's going on, but I think ever since somebody broke into my car, I just be like paranoid. So I didn't think nothing of it. Like I was just, you know, eating my fruit. Then they just never got out of the car, and then they just pulled away, right? 100 reasons what could have happened. They could have decided they didn't want to go into the store or needed to go somewhere else. Like it bothers me. Like stuff like that bothers me. Like don't pull up right next to me when there's 1,000 parking spots and then do weird stuff. And I think it was the timing. I think that's what it was. Like as soon as I pull in, you pull in right there next to me when there's all this other space, and then you just leave. I get paranoid. I try to like be more aware of my surroundings ever since that happened, but like I'm watching you. Don't be doing that kind of stuff. I have like no plans, 0 plans this weekend, so we're just gonna see what happens. Like I do want to record a video. Like I did take down my twist, so I have my little bun, and that I take that back. So I do have that for the agenda, to wash my hair and film it. But otherwise I have no plans. What are you guys doing this weekend? We're like a weekend away from the 4th. You got any 4th of July plans? I'm gonna have my sister and the girls come down here. We're trying to look up places that are gonna do free fireworks. We are gonna set up the pool. The trampoline's already there. The bouncy house, and then grill. So hopefully we can find somewhere so the boys can, well, everybody, all the kids can see fireworks. But I might just go in there early, not to rush Nick or anything, but just to get out of the car and just, you know, be in there chilling. Who knows, he may not have anybody and can start me earlier. So later. Date night, going bowling. Babe is getting out of the car. It's like 7 o'clock, and we have a bet too. I'm gonna tell y'all about the bet once we get in there. Oh wow, looks like a wait.
We are. Are you historically busy like this? Pardon? Are you busy with that business?
Probably. Was it always 60?
No. I don't know what's going on there, man. Either they rose. Yeah. I'm like, they must have. And I was like, I don't think we've ever paid $60, but like you said, it could have been the weekend rates.
Over here, bro.
Sit over here. Oh.
What's your gun?
There's a whole nother lane. Yeah. Watch me go right down the middle. All right, update. This is a tiebreaker. Jermaine won the first game. I won the second game. We got a bet. So if I win, I get a purse. If Jermaine wins, he wants a foot rub. But the first bet was to go take him on a date. So I'm gonna take him on a date. The foot rub ain't it. We can do that, but that's not the bet. Look, y'all. I got this crater on my face. Gotta do my. Did you not get nothing, babe? Oh. Sweating, man. I'm gonna show y'all the outfit of the day. This is my little Shein outfit. It's like a workout outfit. And then I got my little hat to match.
I grew up in that shit.
I never liked those.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. It's our anniversary. So I go to put my, stuff in the car like I always do. I show y'all everything. So look what's in the car. I didn't even see that at the bottom. Is that a part? Y'all gotta excuse it. It's real time, so the car is dirty. Look all it is. Oh, it's Kate Spade. I can't even really enjoy it. I'm already running late for work. I'll show y'all when I get home.
They turn back over and over again. Sweat to change, but I know that you can. dreams. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Man, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time. Keep wasting my time. That's why you didn't call it for one. Got tired of losing you almost to my mind. Long stay on the night. Nothing to me. Try to play this game. Keep it back. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. It's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time.